Too many things to show in the hall. Oh my god. Do you want to go? Go. You want to stay? Stay.
I want to look at you.
Look at me then. The beautiful vibe that you've got. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am back and I am back with the try on haul. This is like a long time wait no see kind of a haul. So last time I think I did a haul in September or August. So it's been like good 5-6 months. I have a lot of things. So these are the things that I've bought in the month of December and Jan. So it's like a collaboration of 2 months. So it'll be a try on haul. So let me just start showing you things quickly and stop blabbering. So I'm gonna go all random, bag by bag. Guys, let's just begin with the first article. It is from Zara. It is a dress. So this is the dress. You must have seen this dress because I did a video in this dress. It's like get ready with me for New Year's party. So this is the beautiful dress. You've seen it. I'm just gonna insert a video clip here and watch the full video. You know where? In the description box. So this dress is from Zara. Everybody who watched that video loved this dress. And right now you guys know that the bling and the sequence work, all of this is so much in. And I totally loved it. And the price was... See, I don't remember the price of everything. Why? Because... See, it's been like 2 months, okay? Give you an approx. This dress costed me 5,000 approx. So it can be 500 less or more. So 5,000 for the Zara sequence dress. I totally loved it. Let's move on to the second article. Second is this little perfume that I've got from Zara. The name of the perfume is Dandelion. And when I got this one, I posted a photograph on Instagram saying that I totally loved the fragrance. It is long lasting. Also, I would like to tell you, problems with the Zara perfumes is that it does not last long. Though the fragrance is really good, fragrances that you get in like high brands like all the Chanel, Gucci and Coach and a lot of them, you can get it in Zara, the same fragrance, but it is not long lasting. So this was for approximately, it was for $9.90, I remember. So the next thing that I have got it from Vincenzo Robertina. This is a shop in Ambience Mall. It has beautiful bags and heels. So the one that I liked, I mean, look at the packaging of the box. That itself is so pretty. So let me just show you. It has a beautiful paper like this. I'm really excited. So I want to show you the box and the packaging first, then the heels. I find the box very pretty. I am just going to insert a picture somewhere here. Very pretty. It's like a pointed heel and the heels are so comfortable, let me tell you that. So the price for the heels, the yellow ones are for 12,000, but I got it for 40% discount. So do the maths. Discount is still on, so you guys can go and check it out. So I've got a perfume of Coach. So this is the New York Coach and the fragrance is to die for. This is EDP and I loved the packaging. It is so pretty. That's how the bottle looks. So I have tried a lot of perfumes, but you know, from the childhood, I don't know if this thing happens to you or not. There is this fragrance, there is this smell that you guys always want. So whenever you enter a perfume shop, whenever you enter the mall or wherever you see perfumes, and if you go through the lane, there is this smell that you really like and you really want it. So whatever brand you try, immediately you might feel that, हाँ यार ये है वो जो चाहिए ना. But then later on you guys realize that this is not that one and I'm still looking for that one. So this is that one. I mean, when I tested this, it was so amazing. Fragrance is so very good and it is not like long lasting only then. I think this was the fragrance that I was looking for all my life. Do try this one. Khareedna, your wish, but do try this. This is the Coach New York. It is EDP 4550 and 50 ml. Okay, so the third thing that I got, fifth. So the fifth thing that I've got is Sparkling Holiday Glitter Kit. This is from Kiko. So this was on 30% discount. Right now Kiko has up to 50%. Let me just tell you that. This is how the packaging is. So inside this we've got two things. The first one is the glitter glue. This is what you need to apply the glitter, and you need like a tiny, I won't even say a drop because drop is too much, a tiny bit of it. Just you have to apply it over the lids. So this is the glue and I've got the silver sparkle. Now the price for this was $17.90 and I got it for 30% discount, so it was 1200 something. Do the maths. So I've got a nail paint from Kiko. This is like a sparkling holiday. This is from the same collection, the glitter one, and the code is 01. So there are 3 different colors. I bought the rose gold one. So this is the one. Next thing that I've got is a mascara. This is the one. This is a Free Soul mascara in the shade 02. And why did I get this? Because it's in different color. So I got it in a maroon, red, burgundy kind of a color, which is my lip shade and my nail paint. So this is the same color that I've got the mascara of. Maybe because I want to turn into a devil. Total Halloween look I might want to try. No, but I think it's beautiful color. It is so beautiful. You can go with the subtle makeup and this mascara. I think it'll be damn good. So this was for $17.50 and it was for 50% discount. So I got it for 800 something. The last thing I hope from Kiko, the last thing from Kiko is a lip pencil. This is in the shade 03 Dark Treasure. So that's how the packaging is. And let me just quickly swatch this. So that's how it is. Price for this is 800 and I got it for 400, 50% discount. Alright, let's move on to Zara now. So the first thing that I've got are the blue, light blue denim jeans. Just because it's not like a random blue jeans, it has white pearls on the side, both the sides, as you can see. And it's not like super high waist, but it is more than mid waist. I love the color. I am more into light colors than really dark ones. It is rugged from the knee length and also from the bottom. So this is how it is on both the sides. Okay, so this side it does not have it from the knee and only from the bottom. And the original price was for 2490 and it costed me 1190. So the next top that I've got, it is a summer top and I always wanted a top like this but I never found it. So this is again for 990 and look at the detailing. Sleeves are quite loose, so this is like all pattern work and everything, so it is see-through. The whole top is of cotton and the lower part is again see-through, but not like a major one, but little bit of it. So this is the next white top for summers. So the next top that I've got, it's not really a top, but it is like a knitwear and it costed me 1100. This is how it is. It is turtleneck, but not like a major turtleneck, just a little bit of it. And then one sleeve is completely yellow. That's the best part. And the other sleeve has two stripes onto the bottom part of it, and otherwise it is totally white. So the next thing that I have got are the camouflage pants. So I really wanted to buy army pants, but I wasn't getting the perfect one with the perfect fit. Finally I got it. So that's how it is. Everything is into slim fit. So this is a mid-waist pant and it is an ankle length pant, and though it has little rugged detailing down below, if you want you can get it altered and you can get it stitched and do a cleaner look if you want. I like it like that. Price was for 2490 and I got it for 1190. Next thing that I've bought is a white crop top. Beautiful white crop top, but it is not like a major mini top, but it is crop top. But yeah, little see-through, very little. So you don't really have to wear anything apart from your bra. Just the undergarment would do. And it is full sleeves and the fitting is so very good. So very good. Price for this was 990. So the last article from Zara is a white jeans. The price was for 2790 and I got it for 1190. So it is like a super high waist jeans and it has 4 buttons. So that's the beauty of the jeans. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 5 buttons, and it gives a very cool kind of look, and this is so in these days. So if you guys want, you guys can most definitely go and try, because the sale is still on. Just see if the piece is available or not of your size. So this is how it is. It is quite loose, beautiful shape from the waist and the hip area, and then, you know, it's loose like that. And look at the pockets. That's the best part. It has long pockets like this. At the back side also, if you see, it has really long pockets. There's a new shop opened in Ambience Mall of Nykaa, so I've got a little bit of things. Why do I have so many bags? Because I've shopped on 3 different days, so I have 3 different bags. Okay, first lip shade that I have is from Milani, and it costed me 1100. There wasn't any discount. This is in the shade number 14, Devotion, and it's an amazing shade. So this is a shade, this is like, I won't say a blood red, but yeah. So guys, this is the packaging. The next lip shade that I've got is from Nykaa. It is a matte crayon, and this is in the shade 13, Twilight Dreams. This is the one that I have it on my lips. So this is how it looks. One of my favorite colors, and I was really looking for a shade like this. But though it gets a little tripped out once I eat my food, so you can carry it along. But the color is so amazing that I could not let it go. Alright, nail paints that I've got. First nail paint that I've got is in the shade 120, and it is matte maroon. The one which I have it on my nails. This is the one. It is a very beautiful color. I think that the nail paint, the lip shade is going really well together. Price 200. The second one is in the black shade. It is matte again. The shade is 09. The third one is in matte red. It is also a very beautiful color. The shade is 109. The fourth nail paint that I've got, it is a baby pink color. All 3, the matte ones, are for 200 each. This is for 179. And the shade is 138. I think it is perfect for the summer day kind of a look, where you will be all dressed in a floral dress, and this color would look fab. I don't know why am I thinking so much about summers and wearing a dress, because I think I'm missing summers now. Enough for winters. Now I want to wear clothes. So yeah, the other nail paints the other day. Okay, so let me check the price. The first one, again, okay, all 3 are also matte. The first one is a beautiful mint blue. This is my favorite color. Anytime if I have to choose a color between any of the nail paints and this, I would choose this. This is like my favorite, and from a really long time. This is in the shade 17. So the next one is in the shade 19, and look at the color. The color is amazing. It is a beautiful, I think it is an army green color. So this is a really beautiful one. It is 19, and it is so different. Last nail paint that I have, it is in a beautiful mud brown color, and the shade is 158. Any doubts about any of the products that I'm showing, ask me down below, okay? Another thing from Nykaa that I've got is a Maybelline lipstick. It is matte, and I so wanted to try the purple one, so I did try, and I loved it. So this is the one I have. The price is 666. So the price is 650, and the code is 35. This is how it is. I think it is so beautiful. I really love the color. So guys, the next thing that I've got from Marks and Spencer's is a beautiful hat. Look at the hat. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. I totally loved it, and this was the last piece that they had, and I had to buy it. Though I have a pony right now, so you won't be able to see the exact look, but it is looking so pretty. The most perfect thing I've bought for the beach is this hat, okay? This hat was for 1100, and I got it for 990. The next thing that I've got is a shower gel from Marks and Spencer, and it costed me 399. Why did I choose this one? Though it was on discount, so it was like 100 rupees off, so it costed me 299, and I love the fragrance. It is lemon and lime extract. It is so good. I'm not like stretching so much just because I got it. I am saying it because you actually feel quite refreshed after taking bath from this, and it's good. Then this is the hand cream again from Marks and Spencer's. This is cocoa butter extract and the fragrance is so very good. Though according to the packaging you might feel that the fragrance is not that good, but it is good. So this costed me $2.99 and it is nice. Good for winters and it is quite moisturizing, I would say. So yeah, you can think of buying this. Let's move on to H&M. The fur chappals that I've got. So this is a beautiful one. It has a little bit of heels. It's for $6.99 originally and I got it for $3.99. I actually wear this kind of a chappal in winters at home. So this one that I'm wearing right now is totally spoiled and dirty and you cannot wash it because it's wood. I did ask someone for the dry cleaner boy, and he completely said no, we don't do shoes and stuff and chappals and everything. So this was quite reasonable, $3.99. It is beautiful. So this is the one that I've got. So the other two things that I've got are the ballerinas, one in orange and one in black. Though these are two different ones, don't think that one is black and one is orange of the same pair. So I've got the black one for $1,100 and the orange one for $6.99 or $4.99. Don't remember, don't have the bill. Those are comfortable and it is really good for winters as well as for summers, I feel. And this gives kind of a formal, semi-formal and a casual look, depends how you guys want to style it. And this is color, okay? So I get really attracted to colors. In my wardrobe, you would see a number of colors. So I play a lot with colors. I like colors. So the last brand that I will be showing you is the Zimi Vogue Korea, if I'm pronouncing it right. So this is the bhai of Mini. So let me just quickly dig into it and start showing you stuff. So the first thing that I've got are the tissue papers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of tissue papers that I have got. Basic ones, the price was for, so it was for $185 only and I totally loved it. Why? A, reasonable. B, it is really needful thing. You can make one piece of it and put it in your bag once you're traveling, or just take it along with you even if you're not traveling and just going here and there nearby. You need tissue papers, so this is a need. I want to justify the money that I've spent. The next thing that I've got are the wet wipes. This is for $165 and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pouches, 25 pieces each. So that's a lot. You don't get it. I don't know how the product would be once I'll use it, but that's a lot for $165. So again, very much needful. So the next thing that I've got are the mixing bowl. So the pouch that I've got, it has a bowl like this. It has 3 facial sheets. So it's more like a wet towel. So it's like a capsule. If you put this in a bowl of water, it will soak all the water and it will expand. That will turn into a wet wipe that you can use it for the face or the hands or everything. You must have seen it in a lot of places. And then with this, it has 3 measuring spoons. Then we've got a brush. So it's like a brush to apply. What work would this do? This would do the work of a bleach or a face pack. Anything that you would like to apply, it will help. The last thing that we've got is a spatula. This will help you mix the stuff in the bowl. So the price is $150. That's so reasonable. Thing that I've got a whole bunch of facial masks and there are 100 pieces in this. The price is $350. And these are all capsules that I showed you, but I still have to see how helpful it is. Is it just to clean the face or does it also have some kind of a substance inside that? So I still have to use it. So it is like a pouch full of facial masks. The next thing that I've got a manicure kit. So this is not like a complete manicure kit. So it is like a filer and the cuticle tool. The price was for $150 for these two and it is made up of steel. That's what it says. So I would believe that. So yeah, $150. We are done. We are done. Alright, so we are done. Oh my god, I still have to sambhalo all of this. So guys, we are done with the video. I totally loved buying the stuff. I am a shopaholic. Tip, if you guys want to go and shop, don't go on Saturdays and Sundays. Those are the weekends. Instead, go Monday to Friday and early morning. Reach 10:30 in the mall. Reach at 11. Don't delay. Do not. That's the tip for the sale. And because everything is sorted. So the people working there have sorted everything for people coming. So every morning you'll go, you'll find everything sorted. Then after 12 or after 2 in the afternoon, you won't find anything. Let me know if you guys have any doubts in the comment section. I would clear that about any of the products and I would see you in the next video. I have 2 very interesting videos coming up. The one that you will be seeing next Friday is one of the things from my bucket list. Remember the video that I did, bucket list things to do in the first week? I have one of the things that will be tick, and I am vlogging that day, so you will see that. You will see it next Friday. Alright then, I will see you next time. Okay, bye.